Like handbags. The day I start serving a man is the day
Are you crazy?
So cooking for your husband, washing for him, obeying him.
What nonsense?
Slavery. Ladies, a man is not your king. If he wants food, tell him the kitchen exists.
What?
I'll make something right now.
Thank you. You didn't have to stress yourself out the one.
You know I love taking care of you. If he wants food,
If
tell him
loving you is breaking me apart, then make the first cut straight through my heart. Late night talks under city lights, holding you through endless nights. Every laugh, every little touch. Never knew love could mean this much. And when you whisper close to me, it feels like heaven finally found me. No fear when I'm in your arms. You heal me with your charm. Now every heartbeat calls your name. Nothing in my life's the same. You're the fire inside my soul, the missing piece that makes me whole.